Good morning. It's April the 20th, 2016, and as a part of our continuing education, we're going to talk about splitting the night session and how it can help and aid your trading. The key to success in the market profile is learning how to split the profiles. And there's always a conflict in time. You've got the daily versus the 30-minute if you're a profiler versus this time frame that you're going to execute on. And if you're going from daily to 30 minutes, it's probably a 5-minute charts. And when you can get all three of those aligned, then you've got a much higher probability for a trade. So this is what the screen looked like this morning coming in prior to the day session. And if we look at the entire night session and put it together and do our normal split, in S period, or 5:30 this morning, the buyers came into the market. And we're dealing with a very, very strong P and a breakout. There was your breakout. We've got a very, very strong P. And we've got our move out of the middle, our mom. So everything is pointing to a retest of the 98.9850 level. And the day session opens and stalls at 96.50. So it was pointed up. The first trade to the long side when things stabilizes got you back up to 96.50, and that's where we were. So how can we, the key to successful trading, I believe, over the long haul is getting the direction right. So coming in to today's session, if we look at the overnight Globex, first place you can split is Asia. Now I usually don't split Asia because Asia usually follows through and does what the US session has done. So Globex was giving us a B. Asia would be the next split. Then we would go to London for an M split. And you can see that it's a B. It's definitely leaning B. Forward. So we're still in a sell mode. And we can sell the value area higher, better. But when we come into London right here, the London split, we've got a D. And then we get our move out of the middle in S. So we don't, when we see this move coming out of the middle in S, we really aren't too interested in selling the value area high or that high or the Asian high or even the Globex high. This is a new move out of the middle. We want to join it. We don't want to get in the way and fade it. So the conflict that we saw on this was we've definitely got a P longer term. I've got a short term B. I've got a short term B. Now I've got a D. So when we get these D patterns, we're looking for a move out of the middle. So buy stopping, sell stopping into the market is the way to go, and then the market trades up all the way and stalls in the 96.50, 98 area, which takes us from yesterday. So for those that were up in that early trading in Europe, you've got a real advantage trading European time. I mean, market directional changes quite often come off the London session. You can see that the longer term P, if you were trading this early, was supported. We had sellers up to here. Then we've got a D. Then we're looking for a move out of the middle of mom. And we get that mom. And it should lead to a retest of resistance and or higher. And it led to a retest of resistance. And here we sit at 93. Now, this is the entire day session. If we put all of this together, you can see that we're dealing with a pretty pronounced P and that volume is well above time. So if we had to make a trade, at the market right now at this instant time, it would still be from the long side. Hope this helps you with how you split distributions. This was a nice look at the E-mini, which seems to capture and hold everybody's interest. Structure, profile, splitting for new moves or new distributions really can help you improve your trading and improve your trade location, but most of all, keep you on the right side of the market. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At the website, you'll get information on our software and our trading methodology. Looking forward to seeing you in the room.